Good morning, children. Welcome to today's online class. Today, we are going to see a topic in English grammar. Before going into the topic, I am going to tell you few amazing facts. Are you all ready to listen? Yes. The first one. Apples float on water. Do you believe this? Yes. If you have apples at home, go give it a try. Second, owls. Can you see owls? Owls cannot move their eyeballs. Owls cannot move their eyeballs. Third, can you see what is this? An ostrich. Ostrich's eye is bigger than its whole brain. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its whole brain. Then think the size of the brain, how small it would be. Is it amazing? Yes. Fourth, have you seen a dice? You all have played with the dice, right? Now in the dice, if you add the opposite sides, always it will be equal to number 7. Fifth, you cannot talk and inhale or exhale at the same time. So these are about the amazing facts. Now let us move on to the grammar topic. Now I want to ask you a few questions, children. You remember how many vowels are there? Yes, 5 vowels. What are there? A, E, I, O, U. Super. Consonants. How many consonants are there? Yes, 21 consonants. The letters other than the vowels are called consonants. Okay, now why am I asking about the vowels and consonants? Because depending upon the sound of the vowel or consonant of a noun in a sentence, the article is decided. So today we are going to see about articles. What are articles? What is the definition? A and the are called articles. What is the definition? A and the are called articles. So, depending upon the sound of the vowel or consonant of a noun in a sentence, the article is decided. A and an are called indefinite articles, while the is called definite article. Okay, what are the indefinite articles? A and an, which is called as the definite article, the. Now let's see a few examples for article. Can you see this animal? What animal is this? Cow. So cow is a noun. What is the first letter of cow? C. So C is a vowel or a consonant, children? Consonant. So I am going to write as a cow. Understood? So the noun starts with a consonant, hence I am writing the article A. A cow. Cow. Can you see a bus there? Yes. So bus. What is the first letter of bus? B. B has sound of a consonant or a vowel? Consonant. So you have to write as a bus. Can you see a big tree here? Yes. So tree is a noun. Can we write as a tree or an tree? How we will decide? So tree, the first letter is T. T is a consonant or a vowel, children? Consonant. So if it is a consonant, what article has to be written? A. Very good. A tree. Now are you clear with the article A? If the noun has a consonant sound, article A has to be written. Now let's see a few examples for article an. Can you see this? What is this? Ice cream. I like ice cream very much. Do you all? Yes, many of us like ice creams, right? Okay. What is the first letter in ice cream? I. I is a vowel or a consonant, children? Vowel. So, if the noun has vowel sound, we have to write the article an. Let us write as an ice cream. Now, can you see this? What place is this? This is an igloo. Igloo starts with what letter? I. I is a vowel or a consonant? Vowel. So, what article we have to write before? An igloo. Very good. Now, the same ostrich has come again. Yes? So, ostrich begins with what letter? O. A consonant or a vowel? It is a vowel. So, we have to write as an ostrich. Next, can you see this? What is this? A vitamin C rich fruit. Orange. Orange starts with letter O. So, we have to write the article as an orange. Now, are you clear with where we have to write article a and article an? If the noun has got a consonant sound, a article has to be used. If a noun has vowel sound, an article has to be used. Okay, now we are clear with a and an. But this is not the same for all the words. There are few exceptional words. If you take word hour, H-O-U-R, we will spell it as H-O-U-R. But when we pronounce it as hour. H is silent, hour. So here we will consider only O and not H. So we will write as an hour. Same like this. One more example is honest. When we spell, it is H-O-N-E-S-T. But when we pronounce, it is honest. H is silent. So, here also we will write article an honest man. Okay. So, this is about articles a and an. Now, moving on to the main article the. The is called as what article? Definite article. So, there are certain rules in English where the has to be used. I'll tell you few things. The first one is the can be written in front of a particular noun or a specific noun, only one of its kind. I'll tell you an example. What is this? Sun. What is this? Moon. Okay. In front of the sun and moon, we should write article the. You know why? Because only one sun is there, only one moon is there. Very particular about being single. So, here we are writing the sun, the moon. For example, shall I tell you a sentence? The sun rises in the east. Okay. Now, the second rule. Whenever there is a repetition of noun in a sentence or passage, article the has to be used. Did you understand? Whenever there is a repetition of a noun, the article has to be used. I planted a tree in my garden last year. The tree has grown well. In the first sentence, what is a noun? Tree. Tree has a consonant sound, so we have written as a tree. The tree is repeated again in the next sentence, so we are writing as the tree. Understood? If the noun is repeated, we can write as the. So this is about the second rule. Now moving on to the third rule. Third rule, the should be written in front of words like biggest, largest, tallest, richest. Okay, before these words, the article has to be used. Fourth rule, the should be written in front of musical instruments. The guitar. You can see this instrument. What instrument is this? The violin. Okay, the keyboard. can be used in front of uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? The things which we are not able to count. For example, milk, water, angry, knowledge, all these come under uncountable nouns. Now we are clear with A and the. Now let's move on to book exercises. Book page number 15. There is an exercise. We'll start with that. So now I am going to read the heading. Listen carefully. Ricky and Nikki are listening, naming words that go with the articles a and an. Ricky is listening, naming words that begin with a consonant. Nikki is listening, naming words that begin with a vowel sound. So they have given two scarecrows and one is called Ricky, the other name is Nikki. So the Ricky, we have to write the words that starts with a consonant. A should be written in front of that. And Nikki is another scarecrow where we have to select the words from this and write under this an. Shall we start, children? Okay. Now see, they have given few words. We'll read out the words so that depending upon the sound of the first letter or the first letter decides the article a or an. So in this list of words, the first word is almond. Look at the first letter. It starts with A. So vowel sound, almond. So we have to write under this scarecrow, Nikki's scarecrow. An almond. A-L-M-O-N-D. An almond. Now the next word, nail. Nail comes what sound? Consonant sound or vowel sound? Look at the first letter N. It is a consonant sound. So, article A has to be written. A nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Now the third word is jackal. First letter is J. It is a consonant sound or a vowel sound? Consonant sound. So, we have to write a jackal. Shall we write? A jackal. J-A-C-K-A-L. Jackal. The next one is onion. Is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Vowel sound. Very good. So we have to write an onion. O-N-I-O-N. What is the next word? Geyser. So G. Is it a consonant sound or a vowel sound? Consonant. So we have to write a geyser. G-E-Y-S-E-R. Next, beetle. Consonant or a vowel sound? B. Consonant sound. So we have to write a beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. Next, ice cube. First letter is I. So it is a vowel sound. So we have to write as an ice cube. C-U-B-E. Now decides the article. So here H is silent. O-U-R. We will pronounce that as our. So O is a vowel. So we will be writing as an hour. Got it? A-N H-O-U-R. Hour. Next, cottage. What is the first letter? C. Consonant sound. So we have to write under A. A cottage. C-O-T-T-A-G-E. Cottage. Next word, eagle. For the first letter, eagle. So it is a vowel sound. Where we have to write an or a? An. An eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Next word, umbrella. What is the first letter? U. So is it a consonant or a vowel? Consonant or a vowel sound, children? Umbrella. It is vowel. So we have to write an umbrella. An umbrella. last word pearl. P. So P is a consonant. We have tried a pearl. P-E-A-R-L. So if the sound is a consonant sound, we have to write a. If it is a vowel sound, we have to write an. The next one, a or an. Encircle the article that goes before the word in black as shown. They have done an example, an actor. So depending on the first letter, vowel or consonant, an is circled. So we have to encircle for each word if it is an a or an. Shall we start, children? It is very easy, is it not? Start. Net. N is vowel or consonant? Consonant. So we have to circle A. Igloo. Vowel or consonant? Vowel. So it is an igloo. Next. Uncle. U. Vowel or consonant? Vowel. So an uncle. Next. German. G. A or an? A. Next, helmet. H. H here, the sound is H only. So, A or an, A helmet. Next, undershirt. U. A or an? Next, farm. F. Is a vowel or consonant sound? Consonant. So, we have to circle A. Next, otter. Vowel or consonant? Vowel. So, an otter. Next, machine. M. So, it is a sound of a consonant. A or an? A machine. Next, Indian. I. It is a vowel or a consonant sound? Vowel. So, an Indian. Next, country. C. It is a sound of a consonant. So, A or an? A country. Next, eraser. E. Vowel or consonant sound? Vowel. So, A or an? An eraser. Next, ticket. T. Consonant or a vowel sound? Consonant. So, it is A or an? A ticket. Next, American. A or an? An American. So here when I was telling, few places I said as A and few places I said as A. So when you are telling separately, it is A. If it comes along with a word or a sentence, it is A. Few places I said as A, few places I said as A. Why I told you is, if it is coming separately, we have to tell it as A. If it is along with the sentence or along with the word, then it should be A ticket, a country. Okay, if I am telling separately, then it should be said as A. In page number 16, we will go to the next exercise. Ricky has put a stall to sell some things. Name the things at the stall. Use A or an to complete the sentence. Now see, in this heading itself, Ricky has put a stall is given here. In the next sentence, it is the stall. In the beginning of the video, I told if the naming word or the noun is repeated in the same sentence or in the same paragraph, the article should be used when there is a repetition. So here it is that the star. Okay. So now we will go to the exercise. Ricky has dash album. Look at the first letter, vowel or consonant? Vowel. So we have tried as an. Next, easel, dash easel. E is a vowel. So we have tried an. Very good. Next, dash football. F consonant sound. So we have tried a football. Dash ink bottle. I is a vowel or consonant? Vowel. So we have tried an ink bottle. Next, dash orange rug. O is a vowel. So we have tried an orange rug. Next, dash clown. C is a consonant. So we have tried a clown. and dash earn for sale. Earn, use a vowel. So we have to write and earn for sale. Now the next exercise. Use the article the before each noun to say what she wants and what she does not want. So in the book you can see a picture given as cross and tick. Nikki wants, Nikki does not want. So we have to simply add the article in front of the nouns and write here. So first one, Nikki wants. What and what she wants? Look at the picture and tell. Nikki wants the clown. The E-H-E, the clown. C-L-O-W-N, the clown. Look at the picture. What else she need? The easel. The easel. E-A-S-E-L. Easel. Next, what else she need? The orange rug. So, orange rug. The orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange rug. Next, what is there in the picture? Album. So, we have to add the article. The album. So, Nikki wants clown, easel, orange rug and album. So, we have added the article there. Next, Nikki does not want. What is it she don't want? Nikki does not want. What is it in the picture? Earn. So, we have to add the earn. U-R-N. Earn. Next, the ink bottle. The I-N-K. Ink bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. Ink bottle. Next, what else is there in the picture? Football. The football. The F-O-O-T. Foot. B-A-L-L. Football. Now the next exercise in page number 17. Nikki has kept a few knickknacks on the shelves. Write the article that goes before each noun. So similarly, a or an we have to fill depending upon the sound of the noun. So orchid. O is a consonant or a vowel? It is a vowel. So we have to write an orchid. Next, frame. F is a consonant or vowel? Consonant. So a frame. Very good. Abacus. What is this? Vowel or consonant? Vowel. So we have to write an abacus. Next, instrument. An instrument. Next, dash houseboat. H. H is the H only. We are not using any silent of H in this word. So it is a houseboat. Next, dash Eskimo. Starts with vowel. So an Eskimo. Puppet. Consonant. So we have to write a puppet. Next, dash basket. Consonant sound. So a basket. See here, we are using separate words. So depending upon the word, we are writing a or an. Now the next exercise. Nikki's friends Anu and Jay are talking about the things on the shelves. Use a, an or the correctly to complete the conversation. So it is a conversation between Ricky and Nikki. Look at dash photo frame. So one is talking to the other. So they are asking to see a particular photo frame. So look at the photo frame. It has dash picture of dash iris plant. It has dash picture singular noun. So we have to use a picture of dash iris plant. Iris, it is a vowel sound. So we have to write what article? And. Very good. Now next sentence. Dash basket on dash shelf is very ornamental. The particular basket on that particular shelf is very ornamental. Since it is a conversation between two, the T-H-E, the basket on the shelf is very ornamental. Yes, and dash orchids kept in dash vase are pretty too. Yes, and dash orchids, plural. So, if it is a plural noun, what should come here? What article should come here? The orchids kept in dash vase. Dash vase. The orchids kept in that vase are pretty. That particular vase are pretty. So, in the vase are pretty too. Next, do you see dash instrument? Instrument starts with a vowel sound. So, an instrument. It is called dash violin. In the beginning of the video I told, before the musical instruments, what article we have to use? The. So, it is the violin. Yes, but I like dash Eskimo doll. Eskimo, it is a vowel sound. So, an Eskimo doll, comma, dash abacus. Vowel sound or consonant sound? Vowel sound. So, an abacus and dash puppet. P. Consonant sound. So, a puppet. Now, the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with articles a, an or the to complete the story. So this is a short story. Now we have to fill it with articles. There was dash cat. Cat is a singular noun. So starting with consonant sound. So we have to write a cat. Dash cat was on dash tree. Here, cat is repeated. If the noun is repeated, what article should we write? Very good. The cat was on dash tree. Tree is a singular noun, consonant sound. So we have to write a tree. Next, dash cat saw dash eagle. Dash cat, cat is repeated again. So, the cat saw dash eagle. Eagle is a vowel sound. So, we have to write an eagle. Next, dash eagle saw dash cat. Here, eagle is repeated second time. So, we have to write the article the. The eagle saw dash cat. Cat is repeated again. So what article we have to write? Very good. The cat. Next. Dash cat purred at dash eagle. The cat purred at dash eagle. Eagle is repeated. So here also the article the should be written. Next. Dash eagle flew down and sat near dash cat. Eagle is repeated, cat is repeated. So obviously the article the should be written. The eagle flew down and sat near the cat. Next, dash cat jumped at dash eagle. Again it is repeated. So the cat jumped at dash eagle. The eagle. Next, dash eagle quickly flew away. Eagle is repeated. So, the eagle quickly flew away. Easy paragraph, right? Now we have completed the book exercises. We'll have a quick recap of what and all we saw. We saw how many vowels are there, what are they, how many consonants are there, what are they. Then the definition of articles a and the are called articles. So we saw where articles a and the has to be used. So if a noun has a consonant sound, article a has to be used. If the noun has a vowel sound, article an has to be used. And we should remember certain rules where article the has to be used. After that we completed the book exercises. So நம்ம இன்னைக்கு என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் vowelsனா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம், கான்சனன்ட்ஸ்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம், டெஃபினிஷன் ஆஃப் ஆர்டிகல் பார்த்தோம். என்ன டெஃபினிஷன் ஆஃப் ஆர்டிகல்? a and the அப்படிங்கிற வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் ஆர்டிகல். சோ a எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணனும், and எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணனும், the எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு சொல்லுவோம். சோ a and வந்து நவுனோட சவுண்ட பொறுத்து, இட் இஸ் a கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்டா இல்ல vowel சவுண்டாங்கறத பொறுத்து ஆர்டிகல் a or and யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். the யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய ரூல்ஸ் இருந்தது. சோ அத பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் ஆர்டிகல் the யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். and அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பார்த்தோம், book exercises. Hope you all understood what are articles and clear about this chapter, I think. Thank you for watching, children.